Sama si Juanito Gregorio and Mika Abisamis, bringing you the action from San Juan. Couple of picks right there. Cancino is free. Takes it to the rack, off the glass and in, and CJ Cancino puts Iloilo on the board. Rebound.
So far, still 0 points para dito San Juan, who started the ball game, but right away, AJ Miranda heard us, going strong, gets the 2 and a foul.
In trouble, turnover. Wang ahead to Miranda. AJ Miranda. Orlan Wamar. Wamar attacks and scores.
What a hezzy being brought to you by Orlan Wamar. That
Tino. Heruta will run. Heruta with a floater. It's a 4-point lead. Maikes. Yes.
Oh, we've seen that a lot of times. Dexter Maikes can strip.
Buong San Juan. Wamar to Maikes. Maikes with the acrobatic finish.
Well, sometimes all you have to do is...
Here's Maikes. And he lays it in for 2.
Too easy. Textbook. And Boss Manny is here.
15-7. CJ finds a way.
Ooh.
CJ Cancino.
Buddy, they are faced with even more challenges today. Jason Credo is not playing. RV Berjay, Gwen Capasio, all with injuries. Good thing Shaq Imperial is back. He hopes the boys would calm down a bit.
Tawan ngayon na.
Eto, condition to. CJ Cancino, what a move!
Now, before the season, there was a lot. Really wants to get back to their winning ways and get that championship back on the side of San Juan.
CJ Catapusa knocks down the 3.
CJ Catapusan really trained.
Quickly to Imperial, taken away by Wamar. He'll fire the 3. Yes, sir!
Only
Boy Mojica also enters the picture. Here's Reynel Hugnatan. Layup is good.
so much
One looking to play the 2-man game with Hugnatan. Marwin, jumper is good. And then, pwede kang mag-pull up eh.
Yes.
Mid-range eh. Taiwan. Oh my goodness. Marwin Taiwan. VIPs natin. Imperial, turnaround shot. That's good. Could be the start of something good para dito kay Jack Imperial and the rest of the... Soberano. Fires a 3. That's good.
too easy, especially in his home court.
Door. The door is shut. Imperial out to Ongteco. Will fire a 3 and he makes it. Over. Taiwan. Soberano. 3 on the way. Pasok yan para kay AC.
Anywhere.
Open si Ongteco. Miscommunication. The Soberano. Inihingi ni Hugnatan ng bola against Ongteco. Hugnatan. The right-handed hook.
It's too easy para kay Reynel Hugnatan.
That's experience for you. Heruta. What an asset he is going to be. Cancino on the drive. Takbo ang Iloilo. Heruta to Ray De La Rosa for 3. Yes, sir. Ano from the corner. Reynel Hugnatan, too strong. Panganiban back to AC and he knocks it down.
Too open, too much.
3-pointers for AC Soberano. Natapik ni Taiwan. In a foot race with Diaz, and then Marwin Taiwan lays it in for 2. Uses the Wamar pick. The Wamar rather uses the Hugnatan pick. One-hander. Napas. Ganyan ka ano ang buhay niya. Balanse.
Yeah.
Ang buhay ni Kuya Reynel Hugnatan as Omar Larupay knocks on the run. Ray De La Rosa for 3. Yes.
Second jumper for Ray De La Rosa every time they are going on an...
Wang sa ilalim, Soriano. Panganiban. Against Beltran. Nico drops it off to Jopet.
One of the few times that I'm gonna see Nick sides. Strong drive, good cut as well by his teammate.
Rodriguez, spin move. That's a tough shot. Banks it in.
Oh, they need a lot more clean the league and then get the play back to get their last shot.
2 for 1. De La Rosa with a quick trigger. That's good. Third three para kay Rai De La Rosa.
Props to Rai De La Rosa here in the ball game, willing to compete against the veterans of San Juan.
Cancino wants a clear out against Wang. Cancino. Oh,
It's too good. Too good.
gets it to Taiwan for three. Oh, no, Wamar rather. Orlan Wamar.
To take those kinds of shots.
Orlan Wamar gets it to Miranda. To Wang, and the Knights are rolling. Gamboa. Wang from the corner. He gets the roll. Zach Wang for three.
Look at his shooting. This guy is very athletic, very strong, but the shooting has been one of the things he needed to improve. But in terms of shooting, Orlan Wamar has always had that.
Mga kalaban mo, ang ganda lang. Ang ano eh, may marka ka eh, may motivation ka. 12.7 rebounds, 5 assists, and 3 steals. So, nako.
Esed Gabo. The names just gets deeper as we go on. As Zach Wang. Wow.
Miranda strips him. Agent to Dexter Michael. So, Hiruta with the hezzy. Finds Rangel underneath and he scores. Sadi Rangel. Orlan Wamar. To Mojica. Fires a three. That's good.
Specialty of the house. Edgy Boy Moy.
Nonoy. Dire-derecho. Mark Nonoy.
Good speed advantage for Mark Nonoy. Saw that he was much quicker than his defender.
Real. Turnaround shot. That's short. Rebound ni Clint Doliges. Doliges puts it back in.
Good activity coming from Clint Doliges, but quick outlet to Orlan Wamar. In less than 5 seconds, Bowie.
Jed. CJ Cancino. Cancino drives and scores.
It's a very scary move.
Wamar
Wow.
all the way to the cup. 16 points para kay Orlan Wamar. Leads the break for Iloilo. Behind the back. De La Rosa knocks down the three.
A good pass coming from CJ Cancino.
8 seconds remaining. Wamar gives it up to Hognata and three-pointer. Reynel Hognata knocks it down. Look at the quarter scoring. San Juan 30 points in the third, Juanito.
Pure offensive beauty.
Hiruta. Diaz. Inside, Katapusan. That's it.
They have to climb back.
Here's Wamar. Jumper is money.
Too easy.
Likes to play that two-man game with Dugnata. And Malonzo will fire. That's good. 9 assists. Para kay eh, mukhang gusto niyang magpuntos. Cancino. Off the glass and in.
CJ Cancino also.
Here's Hiruta. The runner from Aaron gets the roll. Soberano, yes.
That is how you make win Taiwan the entirety of the second half. And Orlan Wamar is just not done in tonight's ball.
Night is done. This has been that kind of evening for Iloilo. Marwin, Taiwan. Taiwan gets it back. Obalde, the kick out to Galinato. Pulls up, the jumper is good.
See that a lot of times. That pull-up jumper from Galinato is its specialty. Really cannot give him enough space.
A layup from Clint Doliges.
Of the season, Clint Doliges is a professional player. You know, we need to see that he can score. But in terms of scoring, Galinato.
Joseph Obalde, here's Taiwan. Fires a three.
We're just running out of adjectives.
Imperial to Sandy Rangel for the 2 points.
Better second half para dito.
could not complete the steal. Katapusan. And Clint Rodriguez will finish. Nonoy, nagmamadali. Bounce pass to Katapusan. Too strong. Rangel on the stick back.
Once again, Chadira. Yeah,
And Taiwan, no?
the
Alam mo,
leadership.
maliliit lang. Pero yung physicality na binibigay nila sa kabilang team is...
On the other end, though, still needs a lot of improvement here in the season. They have a deep staff. They have a deep lineup. But somehow